Hi, my name is Mrs. Nowakowski. I'm a math coach from Johnson Elementary. Today we're going to do a quick number talk with my daughter Claire. She is in kindergarten. How old are you, Claire? Oh, they can't see you.
5.
5. Okay, so we're looking at the picture that you guys are looking at. So I'm going to talk a little bit with Claire, and then I want you guys to talk and think about it at home too. If you need to pause the video to think, I would love for you to do that. All right, Claire, what do we see in this picture?
You see.
What do you see in general? Just what are these objects?
4.
Hold on, don't go mathy yet. What are these objects?
They're Legos.
They're Lego. Do you play with Legos?
Yeah.
Do you play with Legos out there in the audience? Do you think they play with Legos? It's okay. All right, Claire. Here's my first question. And audience, I want you guys to pause the video right after this question. I want you to think about how many Legos, the little blocks, how many Legos do you see? Okay, if you've done pausing the video and you've thought of how many Legos you see, here's the most important part. How do you see them? How did you count them, or how did you figure out how many Lego pieces there were? All right, let's start with you, Claire. Maybe you solved it the same way Claire did. So let's see. Claire, how many Lego pieces do you see?
So I did.
How many do you see first? Good. It's okay. It's okay. I'm showing them how you're thinking. How many Lego pieces do you see?
12.
12 Lego pieces she saw. Okay, here's the part that I'm really curious about. How did you see them?
So I saw 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and 4 on this side.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but she was saying that she saw this 4 on top, then she saw the 4 in the middle, and then she saw the 4 on the bottom. And I listened to her, and she knew the 4 and the 8 pretty fast. How did you know that 4 and 4 is 8?
Cause I knew that 4 and 4 was 8 because
Maybe you just knew it?
I just knew it.
Yeah, she maybe counted by 4s, or she just knew her doubles, that 4 and 4 is 8. Now, when she got to the bottom 4, she wasn't quite sure. So what did she do then? And I tried to show the camera down to her fingers. What did you do then to add 4 more?
I did 8. I counted. Well, I didn't count up, but then I saw 2 left, and then I thought it was 12.
Oh, so then she saw 8 and 2 is 10, and then the 2 more is 12. Wonderful. That's awesome. Can I show you how I was thinking about it? Yeah. I was thinking about it as I'm going to split this in half. So I see these. Oh, wait. What is that? What is that column? And that column is 6. And then what would be these two columns? 6. What's 6 and 6?
12.
That's another way we could have solved it, right? So there's lots of ways we can solve to decide how many Legos we have
or
here.
You could just do 4 red, and you can do
you can go by color.
And yeah,
lovely. That's wonderful. You could absolutely add by color. Wonderful. There's lots of questions that parents and big brothers and sisters could ask their kindergarten first graders about this picture. You could talk about those little, what are those called? Those little pegs. You could talk about how many pegs are all together. There's 4 pegs in one
blocks.
Of the Legos. Yeah. You could talk about which color has more, how many more, or how many less. Very nice. I love it. You could talk about arrays and how many equal groups do you see. So lots of math discussions. Have a great day. Enjoy your Pringles, apparently. And
bye.
Bye. We'll talk to you later.